आइए जरा एक न्यूमेरिकल सोल्व करते हैं दैट इज फ्रॉम इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन. A coil of 200 tons having a radius of 0.05 meter and is placed in a magnetic field. Magnetic field is changing from B1 is equal to 0.2 Tesla to B2 is equal to 0.6 Tesla in 0.2 seconds. Resistance of the coil is 10 ohm. We have to find the current induced in the coil, the heat generated. It is very important question. देखिएगा इस डायरेक्टली आप सबसे पहले क्या लिखेंगे दी quantities which are given. R is given, we will calculate the area that will come out to be 7.8510 to power minus 3 meter square. Then we will, because इसमें क्या हो रहा है मैग्नेटिक फील्ड चेंज हो रही है, so we will write down that is delta phi is equal to delta BA, area is constant, so this is change in magnetic field and this is the area. So we can see that the EMF comes out to be equal to minus 3.140 volt. यहाँ किसी क्वेश्चन में एरिया भी चेंज हो सकता है. So the same formula will be applied. So if on putting the values, we get the result E is equal to induced in minus 3.140 volt. So this minus sign is accordance with the Lenz's law. So the first point is we have to calculate current. Current is equal to potential induced EMF upon resistance of the coil. This is 3.140. हमने यहाँ calculate किया इसको. That will come out to be 3.10, and therefore this I current comes out to be 0.314 ampere. Now we have to calculate the power. एक ही क्वेश्चन के अंदर कई आइटम हमारे को निकालने होते हैं, कई क्वांटिटीज फाइंड आउट करनी होती है. सो पावर यू नो दैट इट इज इक्वल टू V into I. सो V means this induced EMF 3.140 volt. हमने यहाँ पर इसकी वैल्यू ली है, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय द वैल्यू ऑफ द करंट 0.314. ये वॉट के अंदर आपके पास वैल्यू आ जाएगी 0.985. Then we have finally calculate H is equal to power into time. You remember this formula. So multiply the power by 0.2 seconds. It comes out to be 0.1975 joule. So this is very important question. इस तरह के क्वेश्चन में आप क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले जो भी क्वांटिटीज दी हुई उनको लिखेंगे. Then you will write the formula to be used, and then in the third step you will calculate the results as per the requirement of the question. Thank you very much for watching the video.